Your home looks very warm and comfortable.
I cleaned a little before you came. I hope it looks nice.
It does. I really like your living room.
Please sit on the sofa. It is soft and comfortable.
Thank you. I feel relaxed already.
Would you like some water, juice, or tea?
Tea would be great. Thank you.
Okay, I will make it in the kitchen.
Can I help you prepare it?
No, it's okay. You're my guest. Please relax.
That is very kind of you. Thank you.
I will be back in a minute with tea.
Sure, take your time. Your house smells nice. Did you use air freshener?
Yes, I like clean and fresh smells.
I like the paintings on your wall. Did you choose them?
Yes, I like simple art with calm colors.
They make the room feel peaceful.
Thank you. I am happy you noticed.
Your sofa looks new. When did you buy it?
I bought it 2 months ago. It was on sale.
Good choice. It is comfortable.
Here's your tea. I hope you like it.
Thank you. It smells good.
I added a little sugar. Tell me if you need more.
It tastes perfect. Thank you.
Great. I'm glad you like it.
Did you cook something for today?
Yes, I made pasta for lunch. We can eat later.
Wow, you cook? I am excited to try it.
Yes, I tried a new recipe today.
I am sure it will taste great.
I hope so. Let's see.
Your home has a peaceful feeling. I like it.
I try to keep it simple and tidy.
That makes a home feel good.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Do you live here alone?
Yes, but my family visits often.
That is nice. Family visits make a home lively.
Yes, I enjoy their company.
Do you cook for them too?
Sometimes, especially simple dishes.
I want to learn more cooking too.
You can start with easy recipes.
Maybe you can teach me one day.
Yes, we can cook together next time.
That sounds fun.
Do you want to look around the house?
Yes, I would love a tour.
This is the living room where I relax and watch TV.
It looks comfortable and clean.
Thank you. This is the dining area.
Nice. It is simple and modern.
Here is the kitchen where I cook.
Your kitchen is organized. I like it.
I try to keep everything in its place.
Good habit. It makes cooking easier.
Finally, this is my room.
Your room is tidy too. I like the desk.
That's where I study and work.
You have a nice bookshelf too.
Yes, I try to read whenever I can.
I remember you said you like taking photos.
Yes, some of those photos are mine.
Really? They look beautiful.
Thank you. I love photography.
You have talent. These pictures are calming.
That means a lot. Thank you.
Do you print your photos yourself?
Yes, I have a small printer for photos.
Cool, that sounds fun.
One day I want to make a big album.
You should. I would love to see it.
Yes, maybe I'll show you when I finish.
Your home really reflects your personality.
Really? How so?
It feels calm, simple, and creative.
Wow, that is nice to hear.
It makes me feel welcome.
I am happy you feel comfortable.
So, what do you usually do at home?
I read, cook, sometimes watch movies, and rest.
Sounds like a peaceful routine.
Yes, I like simple days.
Do you invite friends often?
Not very often, only close friends like you.
That makes me feel special. Thank you.
You're special. I enjoy your company.
Same here. I enjoy spending time with you.
Would you like to watch a movie together now?
Yes, that sounds nice.
I have a few movie options: comedy, animation, or drama.
Let's watch a comedy, something light.
Good choice. Laughter always feels good.
I agree. A happy movie is perfect for today.
I will turn on the TV and start it.
Okay, I will sit here and sip my tea.
The movie has started. I hope you like it.
It looks funny already.
Yes, this is one of my favorite comedies.
I can see why. It is entertaining.
I knew you would enjoy it.
Thanks for choosing it.
You're welcome.
Your sofa is really comfortable, perfect for movies.
Yes, that is why I bought it.
Good decision. It makes your living room look nice too.
Thank you.
Do you prefer watching movies alone or with someone?
With someone, because it feels warmer.
Yes, sharing laughter feels nice.
True, and we can talk about it later.
Exactly.
Are you enjoying the movie so far?
Yes, I'm laughing a lot.
That makes me happy.
The characters are funny.
Yes, they are silly but lovable.
I like the dog in the movie. It is cute.
Me too. That part always makes me smile.
The tea you made tastes very good.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it.
I feel relaxed here.
That is what I hoped for.
Thank you for inviting me to your home.
Thank you for coming. I enjoy your company.
After the movie, we can eat your pasta.
Yes, I hope it tastes good.
I'm sure it will.
Maybe we can cook together next time.
Yes, I would really like that.
We can choose a simple recipe to start.
Good idea.
The movie is getting funnier now.
Yes, I can't stop laughing.
That's great.
Watching movies at home is nice.
Yes, more comfortable than a theater sometimes.
True, we can sit however we want.
And we can pause anytime.
Exactly.
Are you having fun today?
Yes, I'm having a wonderful time.
I am happy to hear that.
Your home feels like a calm place to relax.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Oh, look, the funny scene is back.
Yes, this is one of the best parts.
I can't stop laughing. This movie really lifts the mood.
Yes, this scene always makes me laugh too.
Thank you for choosing this film. It was a great idea.
You're welcome. I'm glad we are enjoying it together.
Are you hungry yet?
A little. We can eat after the movie ends.
Yes, that sounds perfect.
The pasta is almost ready. I just need to heat it.
I can help set the table if you want.
Yes, thank you. That would be nice.
Where are your plates and spoons?
They're in that drawer near the sink.
Found them. I'll take 2 plates and 2 forks.
Great. I will heat the pasta now.
Your kitchen smells nice when you cook.
Thank you. Cooking is something I enjoy.
I can tell your home feels warm and welcoming.
That makes me happy to hear.
Should I bring the plates to the dining table?
Yes, please. I will bring the food.
Everything is set nicely on the table now.
Perfect timing. The pasta is ready.
It looks delicious. I cannot wait to taste it.
Let's sit and eat together.
Thank you for cooking for us.
It was my pleasure.
Wow, it tastes really good.
Really? That makes me so happy.
You are a better cook than you think.
Thank you. I tried my best.
The sauce is creamy and flavorful.
I added extra herbs to make it taste richer.
Smart choice. It works perfectly.
I am glad you like it.
Eating together at home feels cozy.
Yes, it feels more personal than eating outside.
And we can talk without noise.
True, home meals feel peaceful.
This is really enjoyable.
I feel the same way.
Do you often eat alone here?
Most days I do, but I like company.
Then I should visit more often.
Yes, I would love that.
Maybe next time we can cook together.
Yes, we can choose a fun recipe.
How about homemade pizza?
Great idea. That would be fun.
We can choose toppings together.
Yes, that sounds exciting.
Your pasta is really finishing quickly.
Yes, I didn't realize I was this hungry.
That means it is delicious.
Thank you. You always give kind compliments.
I speak the truth. You deserve it.
That means a lot to me.
Are you saving the recipe?
Yes, I wrote it in my notebook.
Good idea. You can cook it again.
Yes, especially when you visit.
That makes me happy.
Shall we have dessert?
Did you make dessert too?
Yes, I made a small pudding this morning.
Wow, that is amazing.
I wasn't sure how it would turn out.
Let's try it and see.
I will bring it from the fridge.
I am excited to taste it.
Here it is. Please take the first bite.
Thank you. Oh, wow, it tastes wonderful.
Really? I was nervous about it.
It's smooth and sweet. Very good.
I'm relieved you like it.
Your cooking skills impress me.
Thank you. I learned by practicing.
Practice really makes perfect.
Yes, and I enjoy learning new dishes.
I would love to learn from you.
I would be happy to teach you.
Today has been great so far.
Yes, spending time at home feels special.
We watched a fun movie, ate good food, and relaxed.
I enjoyed every part of it.
Me too. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you for coming. Your company is always nice.
We should plan another home day soon.
Yes, maybe next week.
That sounds good to me.
We can cook pizza next time.
Yes, I will bring some toppings.
Perfect. That will be fun.
I feel so full now.
Me too. Thank you for enjoying the meal.
Thank you for preparing it.
Should we rest on the sofa for a while?
Yes, that sounds nice.
The sofa is comfortable. Let's relax there.
I could stay here all afternoon.
You are always welcome here.
That feels nice to hear.
I enjoy spending time with you.
I enjoy our time too. We always have good conversations.
Yes, we never run out of things to talk about.
That shows we are good friends.
Yes, we understand each other well.
Thank you again for the invitation.
You make the house feel lively.
I'm happy to hear that.
You are welcome here anytime.
I will remember that.
Should I walk you home later?
Yes, that would be kind.
I don't want you walking alone.
Thank you. You are thoughtful.
It's something friends do.
Yes, true friends care.
I am glad we are close friends.
Me too. Our friendship is special.
Today was simple but wonderful.
Yes, simple days are often the best.
I feel very relaxed now.
I do too. This was refreshing.
Maybe we can watch another movie next time.
I would love that.
We could choose something new together.
Yes, that would make it fun.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy, adventure, and sometimes drama.
Great, I like those too.
Perfect. We will never argue about what to watch.
Yes, we have similar tastes.
Thanks for today. It was wonderful.
Thank you for spending time with me.
I will message you when I reach home.
Yes, please do that.
Shall we get ready to leave?
Yes, let me get my keys.
I will wait at the door.
Okay, I am ready now.
Thank you for walking with me.
Of course, I want to.
Your home day was amazing.
I am glad you enjoyed it.
Let's do it again soon.
Yes, absolutely.